The light bulb went off and they're like, wait a minute. If I need to deploy a particular piece of program or particular software to somebody, I don't have to do that manually anymore. My name is Justin Schowalter, Chief Technical Officer, and I work at Blade Technologies. My job here is part of the thing is to find the next great tool, the next great thing that we're going to use to help and, make our business better. So how did we become aware of ImmyBot? It's actually several years ago. I think it was actually probably 2021, somewhere in that time range. And I'm like, wow, this looks amazing. Because at the time, like a lot of MSPs were trying to figure how can we get workstations rolled out in a much more quick and efficient manner. And I remember doing the demo with Darren, and I'm like, this is amazing. And then he tells me some of how it has to be set up and deployed. I'm like, oh no, that's not going to work, because I had to have it be interjected at a pretty high level through the Microsoft Partner Portal, and have I can't allow you to have access to other clients, tenants that don't want it or don't need it. And he's like, okay. He's like, good feedback. So I was checking back a couple times, once every 18 months or so. I'm like, where are you at now? Where are you at now? And then finally, we had a real big push internally, like, okay, we can't be doing workstation installs that take, 4 to 6 hours, or it just takes forever. And so then I'm like, well, there is always ImmyBot. They're like, yeah, we've looked at it in the past. I'm like, let's look at it again. At that time, they're like, yeah, it answered all of our security questions and all of our other concerns that we'd had in the past. And it was like, cool, done. As soon as we gave it to all the guys out on the floor per se, they were super excited. And it actually had been a while since I had seen our staff super excited about a tool and utility that we had brought on board. And they're like, oh, we can do this, and we can do this, and we can do this, and we can do that. And I think what got them most excited to start off with was the workstation deployments. I mean, let's be honest, nobody gets into this job to sit there and create workstation PCs. But I also think it was one of those where the light bulb went off and they're like, wait a minute. If I need to deploy a particular piece of program or particular software to somebody, I don't have to do that manually anymore. And when they saw that they could say, we can automate the installation of not only workstations, but software deployments. So for example, I know we recently had a client here, I needed to touch 30 workstations and deploy a VPN client. Before it's, schedule a time, get with the person, install, reboot, do this, test, all this other stuff. We don't have to do that anymore, because I can now set up one workstation, get the configuration, verify that it tests and works, and then use ImmyBot to deploy that to the 30 some odd workstations, because you guys have that built in for the integration, and I don't have to drop a file in or, those kinds of things. So that's really the other thing that I think a lot of guys have really liked, that they don't have to now manually touch all the workstations all the time. It really has allowed us to be more efficient with our time. I mean, the other MSP owner out there knows, your time is your most precious resource for your staff or anything else. So just giving them the tools to be able to do what they need to do in the most time efficient manner possible has been the biggest thing. We took workstation installs from 4 to 6 hours down to 1, maybe 2 hours at the most. I mean, so think about that. It's one thing when you're doing a onesie twosie, but when you have to deploy it to 30 or 40 different workstations, that's a huge time saver, not only in terms of your staff, but you can come to the client saying, hey, I'm going to save you a bunch of money, and I can get this rolled out even faster and consistently. So that's a huge benefit all around for everybody.